Namaste. Welcome to the guided meditation. Find a comfortable place, sit comfortably, or if you wish, you can lie down. Hands in Dhyan Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, inhale deeply through nose. Exhale completely through mouth. Again, inhale and exhale completely. Let your full body be grounded in this moment. Now, bring your attention to your natural breath. No need to change it. Just observe the breathing. Inhale through nose and exhale through nose. With every inhale, imagine that you are taking all the positive energy inside your body and circulate this positive energy throughout your body. Now exhale and release all your stress, worries, soreness, and tension. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Feel it soften. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes, your nose, your cheek, and your jaw. Let your shoulder drop. Relax your arms, elbows, your wrist, and your fingers. Now all are relaxed. Soften your chest and your belly. Relax your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet. Now relax your whole body. Your whole body feels now calm and relaxed. Breathe in and relax your whole body from head to toe. Now you are calm and composed. Feel your whole body is grounded. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your body from head to toe. Your head, your face, your upper body, your lower body, back side of your body. Now all of your body is relaxed. Breathe in and relax. Breathe out and release your worries, your tension, your soreness. Breathe in and take the positive energy and transmit this positive energy to whole your body part. Breathe out, release your stress, tension, worries. Again, breathe in, feel the vibration in your body, the contraction and relaxation. Focus on your natural breathing. Now bring your attention to your thought. Breathe in and relax your mind. Whatever the thoughts coming to your mind, just let it come and go. Don't force yourself. Don't fight with the thoughts. Don't follow them. Just observe the thoughts. Let it come and go. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Just the thoughts come and go. Imagine that your thoughts are passing like the clouds passing in the sky. After the cloud passes, the sky is clear. The same way, imagine that. Let the thought come and go, and your mind is clear like a sky. Don't analyze the thoughts, just let it pass like the cloud. Bring, breathe in and bring more stillness to your body. Each moment each moment bring more clarity. Breathe in and feel the present moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and be in the present moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Let the thoughts come and go. You are safe, you are present, and you are calm. Breathe in and breathe out. You are calm and composed. Silently repeat after me in your mind. I am calm and peaceful. Breathe in and breathe out. Repeat, I am calm and peaceful. I am calm and peaceful. Again, breathe in. I am breathing in positivity. I am breathing in positivity. I am breathing in positivity. Repeat 3 times in your mind. Again, breathe in. I am letting go of stress. I am letting go of stress. I am letting go of stress. My mind is clear. My mind is clear. My body is relaxed. My body is relaxed. I trust myself. I trust myself. I trust myself. Repeat thrice in your mind. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Now feel these words setting deeply in your body. Feel these strong words deeply within you. Now bring your attention back to your breathing. Breathe normally. Notice your body once again. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Notice your normal breathing. Whenever you are ready, softly open your eyes, rub your palms, put it on your whole body. Transport this positive energy throughout your body. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Come back and meditate with me whenever you need peace and calm. Stay happy, stay healthy. Namaste. Follow the 5 minute flow, my YouTube channel.